Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the rack stop on your dishwasher. This is a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll need to open the dishwasher up, remove all of the items on the upper rack, and then remove the upper rack completely out of the dishwasher. So we need a small flat blade screwdriver. And just pry it up out of the opening. And use caution around these tracks because sometimes there are fairly sharp edges on them. Now when installing that new rack stop, you'll note that there is a wider V, and that will face in towards the middle of the dishwasher tub. And there'll be a small clip or a small tab on there that will fit into that slotted opening. So typically we would engage one side and then snap it down in so that the top side falls into the opposite hole. Engage one of those tabs into that slotted opening, and then we're simply going to press the top edge of that to the other side snaps in place. And now we can put the rack back on. So now we'll pull both tracks completely out. Make sure the rack stops are in the open position. Line up the rear wheels on both sides. And just slide it back into the tracks. And then make sure that the rack stops are in the closed position. We can close the dishwasher up, and our repair is complete.